All right, so part 2 of how to like do the manifestation of astral travel. So now when I say like clear your minds, because you have to be clear, like you have to be like empty for it to be filled, if that makes sense. And it's about just seeing, like, you know, like, and what I mean is like, you know what everything looks like. It's about envisioning what you want and then connecting with it. And what I mean by that, in a sense of like, is like, as I was saying, like, you know, you gotta feel, you gotta imagine, you gotta see, you gotta believe. And it's like, and then like a lot of people the problem is what people have. Okay, like let's say it was like a stream. I'm trying to find something that's around me. All right, let's say this toothpick, because it's just a straight line. Okay, right? So this is the stream, and this is where your manifestation is, along the flow of the stream. Okay, but when we go to reach out for it, what happens? The stream stops flowing. So now, like, imagine this was a stream, and then you stopped it right where this is, and then what happens? It balls up, and then during that ball up time is that you're putting this energy into it. You're aligning with it. You're feeling it. You're putting what it is to make it happen. But the problem is, a lot of times too, with people manifesting, is they don't let go of it. So they don't like let it go back out and go back to becoming a stream. Because as long as you connect to the stream, it's like you can be near it, you can connect to it, but don't hold it. Okay? Allow it to flow to you. So it's like, you know, like a lot of people don't realize, you ever had that theory where, like, you know, like if you love her, let her go and she'll come back kind of thing. It's kind of like that. It's like, now I know I want this, now I want to come back, but I have to put the energy, the love, everything that it required for me to get there, and I have to let it go. Like, whew. See how the energy shifted when I did that? So it's and so in the process is about trusting during that time. And what happens is that we still stay up here, and you need to get to your heart. So this is where another thing is, which is how I use when I go into meditation, is I always drop to my heart. And then my heart kind of helps me guide me to where I'm going and what I want, you know, and what I need. And so in the process of that, you got to allow to get to your heart, and your heart is going to feel like, almost like when you're sitting there and you're just chilling and you know your manifestation is happening, it's actually going to feel like you have this weight on your chest, like in your heart itself, like there's this weight and it's weighing you down, and you have to allow it to be free in a sense, because like you're in receiving mode, and that's what receiving mode feels like. It feels like you're the black hole sucking this shit to you. And so it's just be calm and breathe during those moments of struggle, okay?